Hi students, welcome to this video. I'd just like to tell you that our PDF of sample answers is available. The link is given in the description. Do check it out. Hi students, the topic that we're looking at today is describe a volunteering experience you had. Say when you had it, where you had it, what you did, and explain how you felt about it. So take a look at my sample answer. I've always been interested in voluntary work, and one reason is that the satisfaction of putting a smile on someone else's face is unfathomable. I'd like to talk to you about one of my first experiences as a volunteer. It happened a few years back when I was an undergraduate student. I happened to attend a seminar organized by an NGO which runs a school for differently abled children, particularly those with speech impairments. At the end of the session, they invited student volunteers to visit their organization and to teach the children some kind of entertainment activity for an upcoming event. I signed up out of mere curiosity to get to know those kids. I was assigned the daunting task of teaching a dance to a group of 10 students. To be honest, I was skeptical about how I would get along with them. However, upon reaching the institution, I was pleasantly surprised to realize how amiable and outgoing those lovely children were. They were excellent learners and mastered the moves within no time. We spent a lot of time together. I told them stories and taught them how to make flowers out of paper towels, and they surprised me with their sharp mind and dexterity. Once they absorbed everything I had taught, they even trained me to greet in their sign language. When it was time for me to leave, all of them hugged me and even gave me a few of their own handmade flowers. A few days later, I got an email from the same school. I opened it, and it was a video of those kids dancing on stage. I was teary-eyed after seeing their faces beaming with delight when they received a thunderous applause. I felt ecstatic when I realized that I had contributed to that smile on the faces. It was a priceless experience, and I wouldn't trade it for anything else. Since then, I have never missed out on any opportunity to enroll in any volunteering work, especially the ones involving children. Now we move on to part 3. Are companies that do voluntary work useful? Definitely. Non-governmental organizations or NGOs play a significant role in today's society. NGOs are engaged in a wide range of activities. They play a critical role in developing society, improving communities, and promoting citizen participation. For example, Bharti Foundation helps underprivileged children and young people of India to realize their potential. Cure Foundation works with children with congenital deformities like clubfoot. Should people today participate more in voluntary work? Definitely. Volunteering is a way of giving something back to the community. It can make a serious impact on the lives of those less fortunate. On a personal level, it will offer new life experiences and insights into social issues and get people out of their comfort zones. Hence, I believe volunteering should be a part of our lives. How does technology help in such work? Digital technology is a powerful force that can enhance the efficiency. For NGOs and other such charitable organizations, websites are an incredible tool to spread awareness about their efforts and seek volunteers who can join them. A good website can provide all the information and contact details. Having a website with a payment gateway makes it easy for the donors to donate money and get receipts. That's all in this video. I'll soon be back with yet another topic. Till then, bye-bye. Subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updates.